This house has no front, no back. Depending on where you look from, it feels like a different house. This is the house in Holsbeek, designed by Parol architecten in Belgium. We are in Holsbeek, in the Flanders region of Belgium, on a sloped site at the edge of a forest. And instead of dominating the land, the house fits into it. Its volume is not simple. It is fragmented, angled, and it shifts direction along the site. This allows the house to engage with multiple views at the same time. It also removes the idea of a main façade. There is no front. Each side responds to a point on the site. The house practically slips between the trees, without imposing a clear boundary, without creating a strong contrast with its surroundings. The house is not fully exposed. Part of it is embedded into the terrain. The lower level is more protected. This is where the entrance is, the bedrooms, and the more private spaces. This helps with thermal comfort. It keeps the interiors cooler, even with large openings. The staircase is a central element, sculptural, in concrete. It connects the two levels, but also creates a visual relationship between them. But as you move up, everything changes. The upper level opens completely. This is where the social areas are: living room, kitchen, and gathering spaces, all facing the landscape. Here, the material palette is minimal: concrete and wood. Concrete appears in the floors, the stairs, the structure. Wood brings contrast, more warmth, especially in the living areas. On one side, views toward the forest. On the other, the tree canopies, as if the house sits right among them. The façade is made of dark-toned brick, but it is not flat. Some windows project outward, others are recessed, creating depth and framing views. In other words, the house does not open everything at once. It selects what to show and how to show it. House in Holsbeek has no main side. It responds to the terrain, to the light, and to the views. A house that changes as you move and shows that sometimes there is no single way to see a space.